How's it going, everyone? Real quick, I just want to show you how to navigate around the peopleandprofit.com website. So when you get to the landing page, this page is mostly for people that you want to prospect. So, over here you'll see an IML testimonials video, which is extremely powerful, very well put together. And over here we have our brand new presentation by the EVP of the company, Alex Morton. All right, so this is designed to pretty much funnel people in to taking action to get started pretty much. So this was comprised pretty much the same way how the top recruiter of the company has his page set up, okay? And over here, here's an exclusive tour, how each and every one of the products work for those that are more detailed. But for those who simply get the point, most likely going to get back to the person who invited them to the website or simply get started below, and that brings them directly to the IML sign-up site. And in the end over here, you see even more testimonials and, again, funneling people to take action to get started. So everyone here is watching this mostly because you are already a member. So since you are already a trader with us or an IBO with us, you can just simply click over here when you get to the peopleandprofit.com landing page, okay? So what happens is it's going to bring you over here. It's going to prompt you to pretty much set up, all right, your website account over here. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to be using my Facebook to sign in. Very simple, okay? So, we get over here to the traders area, all right? And pretty much the video that you're watching right now, you're going to be seeing it right over here. And you can most definitely sign up for the email updates, okay? So this is pretty cool, all right? And what you're going to see over here is a couple of buttons that you could click, all right? So set up your services, all right? This is going to bring you to the brand new IMO Universe page to help you get access to your products and services, help you set it up nice and easy, all right? Over here's for the business builders area. Over here, you get access to the People and Profit blueprint, all right, which is really cool because it really gets into incredible stuff over here to set yourself up properly when it comes to your mindset regarding trading, regarding building business, so on and so forth. So it's a worksheet as well. You can use it as a worksheet, really good. Now over here, you get access to the People and Profit Signals Telegram, all right? So whenever we have trade alerts or whatever the case may be, you will be notified. We also have the People and Profit Proof Group, which is really cool as well because you are able to, again, just see what's going on over here, get updates. And this page over here is for anyone, including prospects. And the way it's designed is designed for people to, pretty much get their prospects in so that way their prospects can see, what's exactly going on. All right. They'll get free value, so on and so forth. And if anyone in this group tries to prospect any one of your prospect, they are immediately banned, all right? So it's a one and done rule just so we could keep the integrity up to par, all right, with this Facebook proof group, which is pretty much a prospecting pool as well as an additional area for our traders, okay? Now, here's the official podcast. When you click on this, you'll get, pretty much access to the podcast, and you can just simply click to subscribe there. All right. Now you will get access to free downloads. You will get access to the People and Profit vlog series. All right. And also, extra added value, Forex library, swag over here, so on and so forth. And for those of you that are just traders, you want to definitely get to the Vegas event where you can meet thousands of other traders and learn from some of the top tier traders in the entire business. All right. So this website was put together for you. So again, you get to the peopleandprofit.com website, click on members area, and you'll get access to everything over here. Now, if you are a trader, there's no point in watching the video further. However, if you are an IBO with us, if you are someone who is also building the business, you continue watching this video from here on out. All right. So to get access to the members area for the business builders, all right, obviously this is good because you're a trader as well. All right. The business builder, you just simply click on business builder. okay, and it'll bring you to the business builders area, okay? Now, over here at the business builders area, you're going to get access to the chairman blueprint. This is by far the very best video that I've seen out there to help people train themselves up to think like a millionaire from the very beginning, so that way they can launch their business properly. Over here, I go over basics on how to invite effectively, which is really cool. All right, you get to download the blueprint once again, get to download some of the invite guides, which is really cool because I'm a big fan of text inviting. So you're going to learn different ways to, invite via text, okay? And over here in the business builders area, all right, you're going to get everything step by step pretty much. And if you want a list of presentations, here's a list of presentations over here. It'll let you know who's the presenter, how long the presentation is, and if it's covering just Forex or a full presentation, which includes the business aspect of it as well. All right, so step number 4, edify your upline. So everything over here is pretty much all, put together step by step, which is really cool. All right, you could click this button if you're requesting a 3-way call from me, and more importantly, get your enrollment, all right, sign up link, and over here you'll get the information. So whatever your username is, .iMarketsLive.com, that's pretty much your sign up link. All right, so you'll get all the steps over here, okay, to fully plug into all the services, extra downloads, and you're going to want to get to the Vegas convention as well, because the second day is purely for the business builders, people that are already making 7 figures, multiple 6 figures, 6 figures, even those on the come up, so you learn new tactics, new strategies for the new leaders on the rise, so on and so forth. Here you get your tickets now. It'll bring you directly to the site, so that way you can actually register for the events. All right, guys. So I hope this video was easy enough for you to understand. And just remember, it all starts, okay? It all starts when you are on the peopleinprofit.com sites, okay? So just going back to that right now, it all starts from the peopleinprofit.com site. And again, this site is for prospects. For those of you that are members and IBOs, just simply click over here. All right, so utilize the peopleinprofit.com website, all right, to your leverage whenever you need it. And just keep in mind, guys, that we have all types of systems and tools in place that you can leverage, all types of mentorship over here. Mentorship over here is superior, whether you are building the business or if you are simply trading Forex. People in Profit represents all investments, all business aspects of achieving wealth. All right, guys. So, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Okay, if you need to replay it, please replay it. But if you're already a member, pretty much continue on with the website. If you are a business builder, continue on navigating in the website. Should you have any questions, comments, concerns, just simply email them to me directly, ProfitsWithNes@gmail.com. Again, that's ProfitsWithNes@gmail.com. Guys, stay blessed. Take care. I'll see you at the top.